Hodiativu na kwa chiro makuru Agacencwire amazina Mbabazi Charity kanyine Sunday brand erizoba hebiro no mwenda byo kwakana henkumi 2026 kandi shahane ibiri izo mwebazyo hizoba neryo rwakana nyowe na Sunday brand tuja kwisia ha makuru Agacencwire mbwijire kuturahize kwisiaho ebijambo
ya makuru ne kushikibwaho vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love. Echiro chisisirachi, rose from Nempaka shashakaronji.
Agacencwire kireki Rutete Health Center for Omurkabarore n'echendo zibwaho ahabwo kutekatekaho okunagijura omukazi ari kuzara mpaka fire no mwererewe ekito amani tigakora abatura batabukira mutahi wabo nibamuziza Mariyo nakajogano omu district ya Rwampara
umukazi no baso takwemera oketa barumusa
omurintungamo omusigazi anaganizirisha ya mwita abire nainda sente kuza kuchakara
amakaga gatuberira amaka
Emito ya makuru yabane kushikibwaho blended pure vegetable cooking oil second best to a mother's love Echiro chisisirachi rose from Nempaka shashakaronji
Mbabazi Charity na Sunday brand agana makuru Agacencwire ombwijire Rutete Health Center ya Kana home district ya Kabarore heriyo n'echondozubwaho wanyuma yo mukazi kufa ari kuzara hirwa radio nyakufa ya manyanka Diana Kogeya omutura wa Kasisi ward muri Chiko Town Council kana gambwa kuba yahirwe kitanda hirwa reri ahabiraro na mwenda byo kwa kashatu M2026 wanyuma yo kwatwebsha harukuza kuzara ntugambwa ngu omukazi ogu tabaramufireho kandi cyamurugirireho we no mwererewe okutwarwa
okorugera hari Judas Chinkwire muramukazi w'umugenzi Diana Kogeya kandi wamushendekerizo mu irwarro bakahika ha Rutete Health Center ya Kana umugenzi ayina amagara marungi kandi atine busasi bwona oyiriwe bisha ebyabire nebimoruma ogwa kabana agamba ari kutambura takwaterire kandi hatariho kamanyiso kona ngo akabikari hihi kumuhikaho bwanyuma y'eshahi eshatu umushaho wabira ryahamuruma kagaruka yamucebera kandi yashanga ngo byona birije
yamukebera pressure yagambera no yakebera umutima gw'omwana yagana gutera kurungi yamukebera yasanga ebisabere bingi bite saha tekahikire amagamba atambatamboramo muhereze getayi nyoni cyo bangambire muhecayi nakwe umwana ogwasobore kusembera
bite mbere kije yahinduka nikwe kutandika kuterera Dr. Simu barikwenda ngo ayija bahwere
twahiko bumusahe munekicweka weyongera ndora zahe kasahezo nibiri omwana wanga alukubiko muno naro limbera yakora yahingisa ngamba nasi yongero mutera Dr. wahika ati ndahikubahe ndahanda ndahikubahe ndahikuheka hagete nasi alinguzaye takureba hagete umuntu akwiza narebe tare zaba pikipiki abakwiza balesera abarwire babo poju Dr. linga ndahikubahe kanagamba kiki Diana wenga agamba nasi tusobora amazima arabaruha ikintu cyona Dr. cyaraba nayetaga nyo wanyihe mu mwana bwangu nyombere na heka hato bwire bwange nibisa na amani gatandika kungiya amaguru gasarara nitwe tuguma tugamba umuntu wari mutabonaho hey naja kwangu akutuheka aho nasa tugamba umuntu wakusemezabo andikira Mbabazi andikira agamba Mbabazi yemetwaro musanju no kujya haigoro agamba bite ya amani sazene shikwetagisa kapira niko mubanza mugure niko Mbabazi marajigura mu rugere musiyeta
Omushaho akije omukazi bamutwara omwishemerezo batabandize no kumuchebera okureba yaba nayetenga theater ninga kuzara nkaburijo. Diana Kafero mu theater kandi akazikwe biro 30 by'ukwa kashatu omwaka ogu. Bwanyuma yo kumukwatijaga kandi bamumbebembezi ba district abarukwebembera rutete health center ya Kana bakabashaba ngo enshongezi batakazitwara hari.
Ito tuli hano akagera ati mutware bwangu ndo mtu mwimuke ndoro mwana wanga amaiso nigagenda ati mutaha katabu bamuteka mu kagari akabakusimbika bamutekaho bamune bintu byone basabire ntwara umusanzu eroho tubuguzire bindi bikwetagibwa bamusindika kumutwara musiyeta bete ndoro mwana wange kisani kikozere kikihindukire ntandika kura bamuvuga bamutwara musiyeta siyeta batakahikire umukorido wa siyeta mu mahando mbe bakora tubemereza akatabu na doctor nto twamusangire ahayo byo yakaguza nase yamureka nase papere basibene bamunchekingiraho amureka buri kimu cyona haye bintu byo kumupima nakuri musiyeta atamutashiyeyo kwihaha kamukura haho yatandika kunkaguza arwara malaria manya yeseka aine pressure namugamba bodo doctor byo kunkaguza byona tinyine kimbe manyireho kwihaho omwana mu mezi teine burwero bwarwara nakati kurugatwarendayo no musikani tabakamusohoraga burwero bwona yikoreke kujya maiso ntindega
nabona naica nangamba twarwanaho bwomeze bwa Diana bwarema Diana yafa nanye namugamba nti doctor obwomeze bwa Diana ni wabureterana bufu nafa ntorwe ino ihereho ni wo contributing ekikoto kurorawe nafa.
Janet Kangume murumuna wa Nyakufa nagira ngo urukiko rubabesiremu kubashaba ngo enshongezi bazuhunamire kikareta hwebuzo byinji okubareberire mukuru we ahashaha yo kuzara.
Samu mubiyabalize agamba saha 5 akaija to do his word round. Unfortunately mbu tiasanga Diana hairwaro obu yakagwize bamugamba Diana caretaker amutwaire mu musehenyi aheru yirwaro, which person records that no kikuba kibaireho. As if that wasn't enough, mbu yakebira hanotisi za Diana nasa akabahandikire ngu Diana was a high risk mother. Hata aho niho kikaguza kikwizira mungu, if the doctor found nasa handikire the patient is a high risk, habaki bamugumizeho ha facility not giving her a referral kumutwara ha facility ye kukera hoki health center for.
Aba bariyo nibetebekanisa kutwarirwa rero mu mbuga z'amateka na doctor wakozera ha mugenzi
tinkwet inira hona handa omwana wange Sam nuwe yamwisira abo kuba 5 museta atami ebyakozere tibikire ninsaba government eteho bulyo bwona ngo kumire bakwase bamakuru eteho bulyo bwona barole doctor asobora gukora nyo hati nifye byange tinyine fingu yandi mbusase ansigiro bulemezi bwamani abana nibeba bayine basoma nuwe mani gabo.
Mukuru wa district ya Kabarore Richard Rwabuhinga yayure ko kwatwaho ahabwe byabire wahirwa reri
tugonza kabembezi ba district kusinde ko ganyara koyitu okumuza hale eka ya Diana abazayirebe abanabe bagenzi be abo kuferwa umuntu wabo kandi yagwire mu irwaro rite rya rutete.
Okurugera hari Rwabuhinga bakozero kucondoza kandi report abajohorizo ministry eyebyamagara
bakozire kuseruriza barukweta audit kandi basindika kuseruriza kwabo mu kitongole cy'obwomezi Ministry of Health. Turindiriye Ministry of Health yarakerira tugarura sigikiye nta kuseruriza oko.
Amakuru agetutungire ngoreka ngo Dr. Isoke Sam omushaho wakozera ha mukazogu ayemerezibwa ha murumo gasha kwa Jonathan Tsengwire.
Ago n'amakuru gobsasi webare Jana Singwire abatura mu cyaro cya Ntungamo ho mu ruko rwa Nyaruhandagazi ho mugombore ya Bugamba district ya Rwampara batabushira mutura mutahi wabo bagumze ngo ababerire cicero ahacaro abantu bagira ngo ho mukazi ogwa ina Mario nakajogano kandi na Aishana kuteranya na Zara
omukazi ogu ni Monica Atwire kandi abaturani bagira ngo entaro zona zikatandika hizo bari ya Pasika ubwo omukazi ogu atandika kutera ibobwe bari hacishayi nibareba umupira
atutwaye turya cishayi omukazi kuyaje kureba areba hiwe kareba hiwe umushiza azakugira azakura musakana kuyaje kura musakahara akabeka heruka ahabandi agira ati umwana wanje atagane ondije amara agira ati ninyoko atogwa wakora musani nyoko atogwa wakora musani nyoko atomwana wanje no muramusaki ati no mukwatiraho ki ati no muramukiza ki umukaza kai nemboko kuba yabya nemboko ati we musuru ati we rwatabanye koko ambusibire kone kamusibire kone nawo mshira to nanyo kabe nontera hona mukazi we hona mazima gargo ukabe nontera ni twabe turi tureba mukaza tushobera
ogiro kugira ngo we na jogi batakumereba nga muntu mgena mreba nakasuru nakatumba niwo mukazi najo niwe nakasuru nakatumba mi mwenu we kwako baryo mushiya rya utakabasa kwesharingamo hati ya yesharingama kiruka ngogo mshango no jangu nari ngucwani ngucwero umukazi no baso takwemberoketa barumsi
teberakomera aho kuba atahire nyamukazi yatandika kucwekereza urutoke rwiba kandi kuyahereze no kwatanye na Zara akamwigatire bitumi
naturuka yagerata akateme mitumba atwije umwabazi nkanyitahira bishika shange mitumba zireka itemushi ati shange mukadebagira bata bamumitira
naisha azoma tocho rwanye na Zara ateme bitoche ayekora twaro wa chaimani niyo bakubirira buri kimwe namuhogo nachi ebyabanda byo ayekora atwara umukikora akareba yarebesiga umukikora kiza yamugamba amwirusyo nomuhoro akaye nomuhoro ogogwo muhango akaye ne soksweya mushaho kurwarebere na yirukanga najujuru nkamureba najya kana shuma ari kuragara ari kuja kutema gorutoke ngeno gwo mukazi we omucyaro mutobwenge nka government mututeraho ki mututeraho amagazi gono
iba womzogu jo washikache nagira ngo we na Monica bakangana beto na mwese bahuburikire
ashikani tuina mutubiheze kancho cyatureta mutubiheze
iyo kuwotantere kungamba
cyo cyatureta mutubiheze
kuwotantere kungamba
atwatanire nanje na mwana namukira cye makeza gitindwe na munju yanje jamaa byo cyo ashenya mama je tindukurga mukashenya mama ngere tinkarga je tonda kwitana na kwatumanda nanje na twese Nisa na gumu wanjye mukanyuza nteka nshimara kuteka twagenda akagendo wanjye twaganiraho na Cheshire Beatrice uwe myaka 9 nyina Zara wo mukazogo kandi namwemezo kumutera
yarakantera kwa mwana hanya batasali hanya kuna abo mukira baje intamba ndanta kanebe mwana mutana neto yaheza kutema mtumba yo yashanganye ndone ngani ya kana nzaranda kuza kwima ati yatwara
atkona nakatabani atakwa kubona biro bukuji ndikashe kindi kawayenzire kugenda tokwata abana bo mushija yokabamuha okagenda ukazomubyawe ati nyoti nkamusigera abana banje kuba nakahuji ntakahuje nakakuzara abana ati nakafiri ntumwe nkororemirwe kwato muhando utaye ndakwa abakazi turubinja abaremegwa maka bakesasara bashija bakatara atkonkana nata tinkaguma inzagumanyije murumbe wonanya na nyina mbutere bwaza kungambo nakuteme kitoke
icyagaro no bakira polisi nekireba umukaza akemerera yatemura urutoke polisi yija yahika harutoke yashanga rutemira omukikuru bamureba ngo arwire omukikuru yagenda yafuna medical form negishaha kituro mu njomu akibyami polisi tine kiyabasize kumuyamba nkeshengereza polisi nabeta nabajangu nangwa polisi mwije muhika mwanya tutereza abantu musero abantu baterera negisha polisi ikanga kunkorera
Monica Atwire nagira ngo ebero kumugambaho tibyine muhoho
kuruninga tumuka mutera ngaye kakira bugamba azire ngo tubara mutire niko kugira ngo mshange yitu karata koro yana unergangai ara mukati nakachi hati nko kutugaruka nyona kachi
mwene yo kache oyikirize garuka
hito tuyikize garukana
deni omukikuru umutire numuza kumukora
bakaba mutire
oguhona yayihaka no kucyokereza urutoke rwiba
wajyangu namutera tumusime
kachotwe hotel
kache tumusime no wajyangu namutera naze
kashika bache
nkarhanga bwanje kache wariyo
kache tati
sada wasawa ningota mukikuru
ando yari
na muntu yenda kuchibashisha muni wariwe
konki woko wasawa waji
bananje kuboneza imitumba mukadaga umurto agiye mu muhanda bona no muhanda no mwijukoro
kashe mtumba atkoye wajitemira ujiboneza
biso banye najitemira
katemua
bashite cyo mwakoze kansara ese cyo mwakoze ama basase
to amani tigakora na hakoro genji wahura
gasha kwa Suzanne Charasima
enyamwandu nayo
omusigazi w'emyaka 22 y'obukuru anaganizirisha yamwita nukomberwe kugukoma hasinjenje omurubari town council district ya Ntungamo omusigazi ogunchigamba ngu atwira ino butikirizananishe arukumushabe sente konka ishazumwemere
Omukire cyabsheshera izoba abatura bo muri mutojo umutabano kanso ya Rubaro mu district ya Ntungamo bagwerwa kagwe bonyuma y'umusigazo kugwerishe ati akamunaganaga kamwita nyakwitwa yamanywanka anani akabarebe ow'emyaka 49 y'obukuru omukazi wo province ya Kobusinje nagira ngo abiratekere cyacuro nuko mutabano kuyija rukwenda kumwitera mu kiyungu isha nuko kubahurira ati akirukanjiro wa chairman C1 ati okwabire na Rugayo umutabani yamugwera mu muhanda ya mwita
kubagurira yayo bamba munanga ashakara ija bamubuza nondake yagambirisha stokubire mugamba amusindika yagwa hasi nagambirisha twonkana manto kumwana nayindwa kukoma basteganisa munanga tunabuza mu mukuru bona shika ntina sente acha namuterera sumu namutwara umukuru we yangarukamo ataboti inesente atakache takayija asitakayija mutwara tangambira umushija wanjye tiro kozo wacha imani aza ku airporting
umusigazo isere yamanywanka Edwin akandwa naho kandi kigambwa ngo atwira ino butikirizananishe arukumusha abasente zo kucakara buri izoba konkisha yanjire okisiyo bakwatanise na munywano wahire mitwarebero batyo bakitishe
hashahiye nazecero mukache yamana LC1 nari nanterere sumu nanjarati haza hana niya bamu atabamwita no ho amwita atitwa umutabani yamwitara wiki
yazo chairman kwargayo ahikahum bamwe bambugana ku rwagati nko bamunegera beno bantu hatumwe no twayibuza ci twabuza buri kimwe cyona kuko umwana kutwambuza ati yayina mugenzi we yamuhimye twarebere zo kumwita bakamukora bakamutwara bamukomera twashanga bamukumiraho mugatimba kwa umukomise
ngo ananiya yafera hahi shuma tugaho tushanga umushija yafiye bamukomere makagoyo maraka bamwandikira Agacencwire kongo kutondozo kwabaho baja ngo mutabani kabuke namwe bamukwasire
yabere yagira achayimani kumva ndyaho nana twarwa hotora mutabana wa achayimani anterera hosomo atamumanya ngo mushija wawe bamwita tukashika namwoherezo wa tata wawe ngo aze ku airport atera umwana yaje yamugenda hamugwerire ati yamwitara ha washento
abaturani bagira ngo butabangu bwo maka burengeserizo mu district ya Ntungamo
hariho mutabani wanje namujya ntaho niho mwatwisa keke nashuba nagiranta umutwe gwatandika kwegera guti
twabatakana ko tucimanya kunga tugwirirwa kagwitwaza kushanga ngo umutabani yamwita kandi yagura umuntu ngo yamuhimye twarebire bamukwatana sabamunaga shangira ayinaka timba mu maraka bamukomera sinjenje azira tunarereta twashoberwa
amakaga gatuberira amaka umushija twakigamba umuka ko kugamba umwana kwatanisa na nyina injira kozi yo naho ne kureterwa
banyakwita Edwin akandwa naho hamwe na mnywano wa manyoheri ya Kanyindo Ningash Boss ubwa hati bari nyuma y'imitehimbwa kandi umuberwa anani yaguriye umukabafa irwara rukurera igitojo gasha kweri yaserutu gusa
Omjenze mukama mpumze ombusinje Ministry y'ebyamagara ya habatura borembo rwambara obutimba bw'ensiro burukurenge mutwaro 17 obutimba obu bwayakirwa bebembezi borembo kandi omukorogu gwakorwa ha office Zambara City Ntuja kumuraho ntugaruka naganda makuru Agacencwire
agarukurataho nagakushyibwaho
Movit All Day Toothpaste meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal.
Agarukurataho Mbara City batunga obutimba bw'ensiri oburukurenge mutwari 17
agarukurataho gabanaga kushyibwaho
Movit All Day Toothpaste meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
At Fins Medical University, we offer online postgraduate diploma in medical education, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MDCHB, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, Diploma in Clinical Medicine and Community Health, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, and certificate programs. Fins Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa and is located in Fort Portal. Apply now for the March or July-August intakes. Visit our offices or apply online on our website or contact us for details. Fins Medical University, saving lives, our passion.
Manager, ogito wagito. Kwa kama tumuchidara, kama takajiremu. MC takiziri. DJ atumwe na wiring ebyoma tugumiseze shanki ibiri
bantu mwareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tikizana ngo okushara cake ni shamushanju nizeze nyine byo ni shara cake tukazakunyumba
na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda ninyende mbogo yoka oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
otwiro inecyetengo cyo kushuma bunasi obuzarisa Ivrin Health Training Institute Mbarara City ishomere rikushomesa bunasi obuzarisa arurengo rwa certificate diploma in nursing and midwifery niza kwera ishomereri nirishangwa kachika omuri cyamugoranyi hari Mbarara Community Hospital ija oyetunjiro bukugu okwandika beje basya kuri ni kugenda umisha hishomero
okumenya birakiraho tera noti mushanju munana mushanju 50 abrinina nkaga ugambe na principal
Ivrin Health Training Institute Mbarara City improving community health
Murengero izuba inko ekitongore kiri gukora byoma bihangaze ebyo murembe mbaba murembo rwambarara na nebyoma nka water pumps ziri kukozesa amashanyarazi ez'amajuta neza soda ezo kudibiko mizi neza hihi bakwinire angle grinders enchene pango compressors lita 15 box ya lita 500, cutting discs ezebyoma, diamond na wood, omumbeki reba wall chasers, concrete vibrators na za pokers, marble cutters, spray guns, heat guns, blowers, rotary hammer na drillers ebyamanda n'amashanyarazi. Abaseveya inkebinire level distance detectors empangazi. Derimo aba welding tubaretireza inverter welding machines hamwe n'ibindi binji ebyo kose byoma akasente kace ahaduka yetu Mbarara High Street ahashungire na Highway Restaurant ijo yerebere.
Ebyo kwomeka byongera koroba kankwanjulire ankole Crazy Limited abara kubumbira byo kombekesa nkamategura amatafari n'ibindi binji kandi ryo mutindo gwahigu nkamangalole tiles, Portuguese tiles na flat top agemigongo. Lero bakwinira amatafari ga buli mulingo nka fire bricks, max pans, interlocking bricks, otebwe partitioning blocks. Obumoli buro bwabuzire bwena babwine nka Z-Vent, Torino, Venezia na Sisa bakwine na Pompeii, Malta, Double Pompeii. Mwena bombeche na ba engineers na contractors mwena ankole Crazy baborobezaho byona barabibumbira muri Mbarara omwibumbe rishugeine barakwesa technology erispiria eco nabyombecyese cyangane kabendera ya Uganda bashangari mayiro 8 Mbarara Kabale road esimu noti mushanje 2 ananina 15 cyenda na mukaga ankole Crazy Limited tugende twombeke
ikintu cyo kunywa aza mwana bategerize ubundi
konka mwana mazumorya hano bari bategeriza mu mbagano mangwe shazakiri wansuko mu motoka iriyo nenyusi yo ngwija hakunywa
mucyara unama utatinda ndenda ngubije bakuroze hakunandanywa uriye cyatuma naguma hano joka mufondorira kahurire
konka mwana tera chairman wembaga akongeze yo nabwo kishahe mu ito twe tuyon tuno diplomat akatuka kanuzira ntanga waje
ukanyiha ambi mucyara n'abagine diplomat ebindi byayenda mireke bigende n'abagine n'intere ekorwa ba diplomat habo America Limited ekoze ko mu mugusha intangawuzi inanasi ukochi ihamibwa ba UNPS.
Hayes Recruitment Experts Jobs Abroad kandi nitumanyisa abantu mwena nguri tukinda abantu binji abashije n'abakazi abojo nabishiki emyaka 21 okwisari 85 okwera cyenyonyi Dubai emirimo nka customer service, airport security, aviation stewards, check-in agents, landing ground guides na aircraft cleaners. Hayes Recruitment niyo company esingira zindi zono mu Africa okuhereza emirimo iyo bujunanizibwa omwaka oguterize okwehandikisa no busha free registration amataji gitu gona esimu not mushanju ina not emwe ibiri ishatu ina itano mukaga ninga not mushanju ina itano orero
echiro chisisire chireche ros from ne bakasheshe karonje para si arroz spring arroz farm ejini biti dokuro bisas mukasheshi nikukoma sajingo muchirochona
werare nko mwerere n'umfaratsi bw'umutindo kandi nuguhangara umugongo ombero gurukushasha okubiyamaje kigambe bakwecho rwene resform ensiye biroto birunji
Kolkaye mkahumro Ministry by'amagara ya habatura aborembo rwamba butimba bwensiri oburi kurenge mtwaro 17 obutimbo obu bwayakirwa bebembezi borembo kandi omukoro gwakorwa ha office ezambara city.
Ekitongore cha World Health Organization nichoreka ngu omwaka 2023 Uganda ekatunga abantu ababiri barwiro mushwija gwesiri barukwihika miliyoni 16 kandi hari yaba 2023 bakafa. Eki nicho kigemeserize Ministry y'ebyamagara okwayo obutimba bwesiri abanyambarara n'ekigendererwa cyo kutangira omushwija.
Utimbo tubukoze seje gutura nturegesa tubyamemo abakwantu mango mushije guruho kandi mujumana munongo mushije nugwita so mureke twatungira umushogu tubyamamo utimbo weseri
obutimbo obu nubuza kugabwa omu divisions mukaga eziri kukora ururembo rwambarara okurugirira ahareme yaho ururembo Mugabe Robert Kachebezi
kandi buri omwe wena oyino mwoga kutandikira abanje abaherese
nimbashaba ngo ubutimba ubu bushye bukuza kubura be bwashumayo ubutimba n'ubwabusha tarukushashura sera ubutimba ubu n'ubwabusha president abohereze government abohereze ministry of health yabohereza barasite kanso yabohereza office ya RCC yabutaho stamp ngo abantu bakire ubutimbo batashashire na shingicho.
Omugandi ekitongole kya Uganda Health Activity kikwatanise na Ministry y'Amagara barukushagikwa government y'ihanga lya America nibaza kwombeka ekyombeko ekya Municipal Health Center yakana. Ekyombeko eki nikiza kwombekwa aba Bulem Constructors kandi nikiza kumaraho billion 3.
We are going to have a 2-storage maternity block that is going to house a theater, labor suites, and postnatal wards plus neonatal intensive care unit.
We will not stop at constructing a building. The building needs to be functional. As I talk now, today, we are evaluating bids for MCH equipment that will be delivered.
Cement sakuachiri first mbakota ground floor na first floor. So nchimansangu itwe council twaza kwech hati nsa konjeraho emyarire ebiri second na third. So echinsa kubancha accommodating ngashinsa kubancha achi abachara benji hatu betugi nshemeza abachara 30 hatu betu asi abachara nshanju. So I think nsa kubancha accommodating almost abachara bagamba abachara magana 2.
Uganda Health Activity amwena Ministry ya Health American people tukabamba rasite na President Museveni tutwaya chini.
Dr. Fred Mugarura arikwebembera irwareri nagira ngo ekyombeko eki nikija kuba kirimu emyanya etari emwe nemwe eyo kukoreramu.
Now that we are given 2 more anesthetic officers, we are given 2 theater attendants and a replacement of one of the doctors who left. In the last 3 to 4 weeks, we have been able to operate 70 mothers just in 3 weeks. These are the people we want. Abarushaka, kushakiro wabo, kushaka. Achireba abandi bariyumba nibabagana na wakati mahoro bazwakarchike nyuma karureta mpora karuta.
Gashakwa Christopher Himbisibwe.
Webere Christopher ahimbisibwe. Government ya Uganda ne ya China kurabiro Ministry y'Ebyobuhinzi n'Oburiisa bakwatanize okutungura omutindo ogw'amatungo okurabiro mu kitongole kya Food and Agriculture Organization chete FAO ahansi ya project erukumanywa nka FAO China South Cooperation SSC a project batandikire no kureta embuzi z'omutindo eziri kumanywa nka Jianzhou Big Eared Goats.
Government ya Uganda ekwatanise ne ya China n'obushaji ky'okuruga mu kitongole kya Food and Agriculture Organization bakwatanise hamwe okutungura omutindo gw'amatungo mu ihanga ahansi ya project ya FAO China South Cooperation.
Here we received a batch of goats from China. It is a stabilized breed called the Jianzhou Big Ear Goat. That was developed by crossing a Chinese Jian goat with the Nubian goat. This breed has attained stability and it is a very fast-growing breed variety for meat.
This project is one of the longest running and the most successful project under the FAO China South Cooperation Program. It has been implemented since 2012 and we're here to witness the implementation of the project, document the good lessons and the results achieved at this program, and also discuss the next steps.
Embuzi muendezo kukoreraho kuchondoza nizo zaresurwa mu Uganda umwaka guhire kandi mukaga hariyezi zikaretwa afame ya government yambara stock farm.
Within our conditions in the country, we are still studying them. We want to look at how they grow under various nutritional conditions. We want to see if we stabilized this animal, how does it resist the diseases that are common in our area? How does it tolerate the temperatures that are here? How does it tolerate the browsing, the feed that is here, as opposed to what was available in China?
Kurugera umhandikirwe n'ibishumisibweho n'imbuze zikura juba zikabasa kugaininga kilograms nka 2 buri izoba so njumanyisa ngo omezi nka 8 mwindi 10 yazembuze nizo zashikire zagainingire kilograms zukumara zukubasa kuza kujuguzo kagitwara mu kataruka ya mwesente.
Okurugera bahangu embuze rukumanyanka ya janju big eared goat ne kurajuba ne gumere ndwara kandi nerige byokuriye bya burijo.
If you are a businessman, you start from around you. What is the consumption of what you are producing? Basically, obviously, our market for animal products is very good. For meat, for the goat's meat, for beef, for chicken, we are good consumers of meat. But which meat is not even enough for the local market.
The different characteristics of these goats need to be clearly examined and adapted to the context, Uganda's context. That's, I think, the key to ensure that the results achieved can be sustained.
Bwanyuma y'okuchondoza ko kubandizaho ezene zija kwemesa ubwanezo mu Uganda okugira ngo bakatunga ekikirije kuhebwa barisa okugira ngo mutindo gwembuzo mwihanga gweyongere.
Now, the reason these goats are here, this is a new breed in Uganda, and they are here in a research station to observe as they multiply to get the pure lines, and then from their product, from their program, the breeding program, they will decide on when to start multiplying with our local goat.
Obwa hati government eri mu kuchondoza kwa muheru okureba ngo kikachembuze eki cyahiko mu bariso kwetoro lihanga lyona gasha kwa era akiza.
Bare achiza abahinja mu district isinjiro beratirire bwanyuma y'endwara y'ebitocho kubarukaho kandi iyo necrecereza entoche zabo endwara ejine kwatemzi y'emtumba na bwanyuma omutumba goma gugwa hansi.
Kurjira abahinji obukoko oburukushana n'obusisibirizi nubwo burukutahirira emitumba mpaka gwomere gukagwa bwanyuma yo kugurya emizi.
Twine obuzubu bwa banana wiriti kandi twine na nematode eri kurya emizi ekoma ukaburya ukari omutumba nugwogonga ekintu cy'uburyaho oreye endere nisonga yiguru so twabantusaba omuri government kuba kwiza bakatwongera ahabegesa bakakanya bakabaho bingi
ikikoko ekyo ekisise ekyo omutumba nukwatwa endere zenda kuba muyero omutumba gunyunyuka ahansi guzara abana bingi wakwataho guhirima usange emizi yono ezunzire.
Abahinji hona bagira ngo endwara eje katanike 2013 kandi kwihobwe batwire no barjurwanisa konka baremerwe
to wituntu mangwe katandika yo mwaka gwa 2013 uhatera umushana mwingi munonga kumarubwira buringwa emitumba twatekateka kugira ngo ubundi ekanje bw'umushana ukendwara eje kagumizamo
leta barusacha bakarebe banza vitu bakaronda bakuguba karondo ko twase kumento chezitu okwana government yonkantu giho musoro so wazanga district yiti isinjiro esente nyine zihombitoki
nebetombo itero butagira amacebero mu district okumanya ekiresire ndwara eji
ekiro no basa kusanga turwara zendi izo ndwara etariyo je ibariyo bakora hoki research hati mwenka district abo kubantu manyangwe bitoke byita ni mu mbyina haka kwate no muryaho munongo mwene mu birwane wabo kubentasi neza kugenda muzeyo kumarabe muryaho kwa rinjinga muhakire sample buraka no watire nduru mwize muteka haraning center mube nuwo mwatwara mukakorera harasaki mukagezesa ebumwana mutugambira
abahingi sakuruga ha district batayira abahingi okureba ko bakubasa kubahwera okurwanisa ndwareje
muhando umwe bageta crop rotation kugenda no hana sa ebihingwa omusaro gwawe sokora wene ebihimba hatiringa shortoche obwire bwo misho nashaka kutamwe kindi kintu hato bukoko kwebembu ryo rutoche konka hato rutoche gurukira ukarugamo kibanchi manyisa ngo hati ubukoko bwaza kubura cyo kurya nabwo muza kucendera ningano
azi teka kanyire nangwa no bwera beruho teka bire myingi yo kugira ngo abantu babasa kufuhirira entoke zabo konka research twahandike za report yo mu research stations in Kakawanda na no ministry ya agriculture ntwenda ba researchers ba scientists abamani bize tutunge itaka hariho okutestinga amatakaga turebe obukoko obu nubasa kwitwa ki
ekirwire eki kiteganise munonga gombora yangarama omurubukanga eyamatemba gasha kwa Felix
Ubare Felix Nduhura reka tumereho tugaruka naganda makuru
Katochi no bunuzi bwayo Katochi kenya mutindo Katochi okurugeri izoba abantu banje tibaregaruka kugire nakwa hamutima ryaguma bina mashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya ecya Katochi mugume munyweco Katochi no bunuzi bwayo Katochi kenya mutindo Katochi na chama chayo muhute Katochi yenya mutindo Katochi alcoholic drink inuzire kandi terkuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho.
When you don't use Momo, you are forced to quarrel.
Mama kabalansi nkuwaire 15 mama nkuwaire 15
ompaire 15
abantu abakuluma atandisa obuyayo mwene
obuyayo obuliga ngobiyanko
ava mu bibozi sente dange nizade kolera ngobi nakolera sente dange.
Save yourself from quarreling. Use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5k. That's the power of Momo.
Cooking all that makes food sweet. Tastes so good like mama's keys. Sweet Tamasana, yeah. Stir gold is the oil you cooking oil for a tasty meal to live a healthy, happy life. Stir gold, refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Lwa Katoli ku ndongozi na
nanywedde kano kaalo vera chawuda drink kino kigaji kyaffe kyennyini kakindi kakyebule mutoolo okolola okotyonguka kwata kano
muzeyi kano bakayita batya
pineapple chawuda drink kakamuddwa mu nanansi
bojo
mutoolo va mu bya bojo tugende tulabe kakiga
bangambye omubiri munafunafu kakiga talina maanyi.
Kakiga bangambye tolina maanyi.
Ye naye nenfuna ow'amaanyi utammira ku soda drink. N'abawala nabo banywa obutamu.
Kino kutandikira nabyo ntinkashamo umurimo gwabura mwisha tubuta kwa sente za iga batagurize kibanja hati nganje kutandikira kare nabyo ntabana kana abihiro mashomero gabo hati bakagaruka kuruganzi hayo abana bakacenjinga amashomero go bagarakayo mbesha hati iga bunjingande n'indi sima munyongera n'izindi okwa hati nkeze zubatira mu Katare Kongo zibezigeza asaso ekikani baketa saso timwazireba mushanja amaze kuzitwara zibezige nkoko 800 koko zizige nkoko nungi mbeni nyaramura
Igarabu weju tifa masako igabu eiziro kwera omukutungwire ntasiya yawe chanje butare chamuhunga bushenyi district ningo matajigitaga buheju na kanunka branches omuri buheju district na kagarama branch omuri kagarama town council ntungamo district tera not mushanju munana mukaga not 13 not ibiri. Let your child's aviation dream come to reality with Uganda Aviation Academy. Uganda Aviation Academy invites applications for May 2026 intake for the following courses: flight operations and dispatch, airline cabin crew, airport operations, airline customer services, foundation in travel and tourism, cargo introductory courses, aviation security awareness, IATA, GDs, fares and ticketing, aviation management, quality security awareness, safety management, travel and tourism consultant, teaching and instructional techniques. We are certified by IATA and UCAA. Pick application forms from our offices: Kampala, Metropole House, 6th floor, Entebbe Road, or 0393 10 66 62. From our website www.ugandaaviationacademy.com or from this radio station reception.
Rwashamire Vocational Institute itendekero ry'amashomo ga business na technical studies international diploma human resource management, public administration, guidance and counseling, computer science and English IT, records management, accounting and finance, business management, journalism, tourism, building construction, electrical installation, mechanics, plumbing hamwe n'agandi mingi. Amashomaga gona nagabuzubwa ebitongore nka UBTEB, DIT hamwe na Makerere University. Rwashamire Vocational Institute twine in service, pre-service hamwe na short courses. Netushangwa Rwashamire Town Council aharuguto rwantunga mu Rukungiri kandi okwehandikisa nukugendo misho. Tera enamba z'esimu 0772 9 9
Mommy?
Yes?
At school, everyone crunching.
Nange kumulimu nga nkola. When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Anti ku highway nga mvuga. Sisumagire Joshua. Honey, mwana muwe.
Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet.
Natural strength for healthy, confident smiles. Choose Moffitt All Day Toothpaste and enjoy freshness all day.
Good evening and welcome to the greatest show on earth. This is a people's game. They will be bubbling about this one for weeks and months to come.
Wherever you are, whatever your reason, it's on SuperSport all season long. Get and stay connected to DSTV Compact and GoTV Super Plus with Kawiki available on DSTV and GoTV.
Start something new, something uplifting, something so effortless and golden. A thirst-quenching burst of sweetness and multi-flavor, so rich and full of memories. It's 100% taste, zero alcohol. Try it, savor it, feel it elevate every moment. Sip after sip, gulp after gulp. After all, life's about turning ordinary thrills into golden chills.
Start something malty with the new Evervest Malt Apple and Pineapple. Try the burst of sweetness and malty flavor. It's 100% taste, zero alcohol. Available in a shop or supermarket near you. Evervest Malt. Make every moment golden. Evervest Malt is from the makers of Pepsi Cola in Uganda.
Korukayo Mukahumuro obirari chairman wa district ya Chikube Peter Banura yazikwera izoba bwanyuma yo kugomora butandu ahizoba ryo Mukaga. President General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yamusima ahabo kukundi hangariye no kurwanirira entunguka.
Inkuyanja bachero kweshuka rumina omutano kanso ya uhimba district ya Kikube okuzikobera chairman wa district Peter Banura owisirwa motoka ya taxi rwa mukaga ebiro bino kwezoku
nimuteka ikyakyo nitulaga chairman white. Those are the aunties and the uncles.
Ninyogo omezi akunyikiriza n'obwalifa ali omero Peter tukumurora hati aturugireho baitu tumanyira kimu ayomire Kristo aisiwe
orukuru rw'ekigombe ekiri kugita ba chairman baza district omu ihanga Andrew Moses Alwanyi ne Fakazi Mebo Banura bawereka kushasha habo abantu abari kutunga za permit baitu batari kumanya kuvuga byiruka.
People using the road know the do's and the don'ts on the road, and so I think this must help us to step up so that we save the lives of other Ugandans that are still alive.
It is terrible with our transport system. Our roads are killing us. If we could probably benchmark from those first world countries and find out how they manage to have a good road system, and we can pick up a little leaf and the driving licenses, if we could strengthen and make stiff how these licenses are issued, I believe we could make a change somehow.
Engudo eyahoima Kagadi Fort Porto Road hariho black spots nka 2-3 ekubandiriza kimwe mayirirwa aho hakafueraho abantu abatali hansi y'omusanju tukusaba kandi nekyandiko kakitunga abo kutekaho hampusa kichweke ekyo kandi twongera kusaba kitozebwa hano n'ogyagenda musajja mukuru aho naho abantu bayingi bafuereireho.
Retired Major General Matia Chalgonza ishewo mjenzi Peter Banura yasime nkuyanja yahikaha kuziko mtabani
basaba iyo abantu babunyoro n'abanyuganda bayiraba umutima guno mulimo guhindura mulimo kurora Chalgonza nyo umukundora kwasire kingo bati nyongera ukuhuna
terera tabe gikorwa kurora ati turwanisize mvugambi hangudo omone hali motoka zitasemerire go hangudo ezikwimbe kinguraine abakozese bibazibazi no kuba China empapuro zikwekiriza kuvuga rundi permit.
Omutumwa bwa President General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni obwashomenga nzihanga Robin Nabanja yashasha okuferwa empaji kandi yamusima obutashorora no kurwanira entunguka.
As LC5 chairperson, it is evident that he had earned the trust of the population in Kikube district because he championed a pro-people agenda by prioritizing unity, wealth creation, construction of roads, tourism, environmental conservation, etc.
President Museveni yahaye amazika ga miliyoni 20.
Peter Banura showed courage by offering leadership in a new reformed district. He will be remembered for all the developmental projects that he initiated in Kikube district.
Banura yafera myaka 8 kandi yasiga abana 3 ne Fakazi gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.
Omjezi mukama muhomze omusenje abeja hande ngo zona bashabo kwetantara enshonga zo mbonano ezakubasa kubajira mu kwatwendwara ya sirimu ebyagambirwa mu kushomesa abeji n'abashomesa akukundi hanga lyabo ningashete patriotism eriyo negendo misho mashomero gatari gamwe na gamwe district ya Lyantonde.
Abebembezi b'ebyamagara mu Lyantonde bayereka okwato hahabwa endwara ya sirimu kweyongera kushenshera mu bana b'amashomero enshonga erikwejekyerwa okwejumbira mu by'omubonano bakiri mu mashomero.
Basize kutebera abantu 13,000
825 people, and of those people that we tested, 366 turned out HIV positive. Then of those positive people, we went ahead and divided 15 to 19 years. Of the 366 positives, 33 people were under age 15 to 19 years of age.
So twasanga ngu ekikurete echo na teenage pregnancies abana tubakitina sirimu tubakozesa kondomu abana nabagirenda zibatetegurire so ekyama nabyo twatujyo mu mashomero tukugezaho kuba encouraging ngu babirigeho abstaining
babatura abazire hamwe n'abashomesa bari kuhinjira abana babishye bakira bato baraburwa.
For example, in our district Lyantonde ogenda okwesanga nti abana bava mu masomero batebaagala, of which these students are forced by their parents. Ogenda okwesanga the parent is not having money, taina sente ziwerera mwana amufumbiza asobolola ofuna sente alabirire family.
Aha byo kwerinda obwinazi n'ebishyikirizo mu mashomero abashomesa hamwe n'abeegi bashaba kuzohabzora misho na munonga abajenyi batara baburijo abarukwijo mu mashomero.
Nindabura amashomero againeza gate konka batari kucekinga abantu abarukutaho mu mashomero. Oboryoha no ikirizibwa kucekingwa nkwekiragira cy'ishomero kukirigamba
okukira na okugamba cy'abashomesa abashomesa twantongera kubahiga kundi hangari yawe bano kundi hangari yawe to kuzomba shomesa bakuba bari mu za boda boda to kuzomba shomesa barukorayo izoba rumwe mu kwezi to kuzomba shomesa abo kushanga basinzire bagwira amhanda
hanga turiyo twongera kugambira abanyayuganda kurukunda ahabo kuba batarakunzire tarwara tukunde ihanga oyine kurukunda orukushoma olyo mweji.
Ehuru ya patriotism yahereze kwiko mu mashomero agarama St Gonzaga Cyabuza Ian College hamwe na Ganda Matendekero amakuraga gashakwa Sandeke William.
Babere Sandeke William. RDC wa Kanungu Ambrose Amanyire Mwesije yarabura habarukoreza ku bisente z'uru kubahebwa ho kurwana soboro makagabo. RDC Mwesije nagira ngo sente zino ziba zitari ezo kucakaza kurekana ziba ziri zo kwinjira imiture yabo mbyanga byabo.
RDC wa Kanungu Ambrose Amanyire Mwesije ajumirira umuzego abantu abarukozesa ku sente za PDM hamwe na za Youth Livelihood Fund okuzitomba bitaro kubagesha kandi ubwe ziriye zo kubahwera okugira ngo bakayetandikira hecho kwihamwe ntasya
ngo sente tuzwa a project zikore mirimo ya project za revenue n'abyana b'ibihunu reba abantu nguna twarevenue mpaka obaruhayo wa akasente bakarete tukatematema and I really disagree with them.
RDC abiri nabwana hemnyeto kurwo magombora gatargamwe na gamo mu district ya Kanungu omuri bambero rushoroza parish omgombora ya Chihi
tura sensitizing members bitshanga aliho nemnyeto ngashe singanto nazo eziganyiwe mu program ya PDM mu project sitarashana empunu embuzi ente hamwe n'ebindi
twaja mutwarugene miliyoni kemwe 2-3 niziza gukora ki ekiri important nizagura ezindi mpuno eziri improve kugira mutwata rutenga atagumaye enumikusha ninga nza kongera aryejo ukanya ngo mu incorporating n'ikindi kintu cha Village Savings and Loans Association
uraranza government ngwekabaraganisa kasente kuba amazire bija bayombeka enjo baramango barenda kubona kasente na nerizo tikakaleveka gane mjati birenda kwirima ezimpunezi wareba abo bashaba barageza kobwe mu batere no mu ngaro abashije bararya n'amabanje kugira ngo ji project igume yemerire wa
ogona bire nareba naba bahirwe sinto kutandika uza projects zo kurwanisa ubworo omakagabo omugani makuru abashomira haruwe komire SS hansi y'ekibina cyabe cyawe komire Obis and OGs Association district ya Chegegwa nabasima mukuru w'ihanga Yoweri Kaguta Museveni abo kubaho ubwenge bwo kuhinga no kurisa ecabaretire barwo mu bworo
urimo tukagenda hafamu ya president w'ikitinisa muno Yoweri Kaguta Museveni nambera kusomeseza abanyarwanda iriyemu ha farm ezinyakuri mu ihanga lyona ziri nyingi ekwetegwa Kaumu presidential farm demonstration farm Kapeka district uko twagenzireyo batugese enkora nungi kulima kurungi no kulimira itaka litoito
kandi utwagira farm ebitwekiranizangana ngo tugende ebintu tuteke munkora so kino kiki is a testimony kugamba ngo ebintu bitwagera Kaumu bitasigale kuonka baitu abantu genze ntubiteka omunkora
abantu barabe batiro rutambwera hangombi obuhinji no burisa hacirehe birukubaga renyuma
baite chikuru muno number 1 truck a lorry truck hano ntuleta roads za amani muno season ege iyo mwaka angambia twakora kurungi January June 2025 tukaleta fuso 5 zobusa from kuruga kilomita 15 ntuyambisa tipa which is hired
omuntu asobodde okuwa emirimu abavubuka n'abantu abasukka ku bavubuka abali mu 2,000 n'abawa emirimu ne babanga basobola okubeerawo tosobola mutwala for granted kale twagala okwebaza ku lwange ne ku lwa tiimu yonna twagala okwebaza lwa efforts ezifaanana bwe zityo
amakuru agagasha kwa Hweza Wilfred hamwe na Philip Marangira
Makuru agebyemzano timu za Chirimani omukuzano mpira gwabishi habwa amashomero agasi niyo mchange cha ankole erizoba zayonjera kore kaje eziri kusinga emzano yazo mu mpaka izaisya ekiro cha kabiri ziri kwinjira muri banda reka turebe birukira
timu za Chirimani zakirayo kwerisa karungo mupira gw'ebishico gw'empaka z'amashomero ga senior habwe canga cha ankore harumubone Council Girls Secondary School eyashekura timu ya Maria Girls ahagori 16-0 kandi omuzanogo Peace Muduwa yateba goro 8 wenka Rina Aruho yateba goro 6 kandi we Catherine Natwera yateba gori 2 omondijo mizano ijomo yasinga Sacred Heart goro mushanjo had 0 nyabare yaterenga goro 6 had 0 rweshande yasinga Ryonza gori 2 had 0 Chibingo Girls yasinga St Augustine gori 2 had busha Kashenshero Girls yasinga Chenoni gori 2 had 0 kandi Mbarwa Ame Boarding Secondary School yasinga St Benedict na gori 1 had 0
bazana kumpira ripo ya zone no tetasinga konka tinawasongo next year zakuja timu ya mani
so far timu yijo progressive riyone koraje mnonga abo kwatwa semzane ebiri omugroup kandi yona turiyon tugisinga cyo kubanza stanteno singi zitu ka Bishop Ogezi nyuma abo zitwatera gori shatari ya gutizera Rwinyaga Secondary School kandi niye first match yitu onka amana gutine no kugira ngo group yiturumu tureba nza kujebembera
timwe bonire yabana binama nituye n'amaskontrani bakoraje men respectinga shika nationals
emzaneje yaskebero biberero kwinda yegurwa herizo bo mbotongore kandi neje kwendera hizo barya sande gasha kwa Aloysius bya mukama
Wabale Aloysius. Semifinal ya kabiri yempaka za University Football League ya January zoba timu ya St Lawrence University hamwe na Mtesa One Royal University za gwa makazi bushare busha kandi mzanogu gwa zandu mu Masaka timu nezo kugarukamu kuritana hamwe sabiter kwijam.
Twist side as the second half gets underway. We'll confirm those substitutions later on. And Mutesa want to start strong, but have they just won a free kick? Looks like they have. Brian Rothomio just right on the edge of the box. And Rutwama Ali will be fancying himself to take this one. Of course, the players have just come on to confirm their names shortly. Shot number 8 from Tesa has come on. That is Busura Akaya. And also Mutambo Sam has also been introduced. So those are the 2 changes from Tesa. Of course, we'll confirm those that have also been withdrawn.
That's a good free kick.
Big opportunity for Mutesa.
In a good area.
And for a player like Rutwama Ali.
I like the way this ball is setting up. Nicely done by Sechanzi. He went to close that one off before it became something else. Was actually very smart.
I wonder why he didn't go for power. Felt like given the distance, he could have really gone for goal. And the fans there did not like his idea, but once it works out, it's always a perfect one. Mutesa.
ago gabagari amakuru k'ebyemizano kandi gahindura amakuru agacenshira go mwebazi yobona gakusyaho nabantu Mbabazi Charity na Sunday Brand ntwenda kwendeza okulala kurunji ganda gategereze nyenshakaye.
Eshaha zabishatu z'ekiro na yeyo beidondolo. You can now get all the Chibuzi out with MTN voice bundles. Call all networks Kubei Dondolo. Buy a 25-minute voice bundle for only 1,000 or buy any daily voice bundle of your choice. Dial *100 *21# and select daily or use the My MTN app.
Ekiri kuratako
ajirwe
bana Uganda mwenna mwebale kusima Bachagala Hub Products olw'okufufugaza endwadde z'ensusu zonna tonyereza bato n'abakulu era basimye empereza yaffe tuleese ebipya ku katale.
Leka ekirooto ky'omwana waawe okukola omubyenyonyi kikiirire na Uganda Aviation Academy twamiibwe ayata na UCAA. Okumbereba nekukiwaho
oyine mbogoka naba mulungi ayibambe nekolera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje.
Program Okumbereba musibireje basebo na banyabakundeba embogo nichocho kunyechoroho toino kuragire abokuba. It is number 1. We don't have any issue with embogo nembogo abokuba ntumanya hekorwa ntumanya bakujukora ntumanya bakutamu. So mubuzitwi bareba ebintu nibina ntumanya bakujukora ntumanya bakujukora ntumanya abako ebakutamu wanyetegereza kandi ntujinyo ebintu bingi ebikuteganisa amahanga ihanga ya gite. Abajungu bakaturetera education etari fair. Nchokora barahamahanga gamwe agine biragiro byabo where people don't waste time. Arebe intubire ebikutuzo obukutsisiro bwire irwaro na court lebuhome. Nchokureba President Yoweri Museveni akaze ngo koto masho tekushisha wi immediately nabazanshonga bagihendera within 1 month omushangogo because ari musente nyingi ataronko gomuntu owisirabana omuntu owisirabana tikure wamanya nke sente wari abasirikare abamwine okare motoka zo kumutwara omushango kabire the following day no mbazayishomeraho bagushara ha 60 emotoka ezo ziriyo zihenda amaju g'abantu ezo ezezikustura eberwe daho omusango gucumusinga they finish from there and there bamuhanging yako omuntu ayisira abaana bana abakwima bariyo nibagamba tina mwana wanyu bisire omuntu akwita mwana I don't want kinkukiza ompura kyanteganisa omwana w'omuntu omwana bamwita umuntu amwita okamujema endwara mushaju atiri genda abantu mbazara barato mutaka mutere ekyo ekyo kintu kirakuguma ndero omuntu ari aho na escorting emotoka mukaga yaba if is a madman finish him narga to mwirwaro wachitigeze iki cya bimburi cya kuruhani cyachi no kwekiri finish that mushango there hano nkatu mwana mukakire ba Saudi Arabia omuntu akahamba omwana biza bakwata barete nakara bitumba gite kije motoka manyano ece chukana kebintu bamuhanaka ciao story yakoma no mascotinga dero baroya no barwizo ninga bagamba enjongo stakwetegereza iworo na horozo gomshayisira abana ogomuntu kote mukurekure agenda raro wawe aturo wawe denba ogumo mureto mukasheshe nabana ogumo mureto mukasheshe kara esande yatisire bana ba omanya humwe nawuri bamkwereze bamfutize mwaza bana agume nabo nubura mararugo mbintu bitakwetekereza now abantu nabasibe nibenda kumwitira abasibe bonka bine mishango abasibe baze ngo mutashemira kuba arna no muchomi you can imagine in abantu abine mishango mukote bazire ngo mutashemira kuba ariyo muchome tashima ko ariyo musosati hati yukote negira obujorozo obu mureto obu no hore kintu cyakuteganisa wahora nabwecho let's not waste time let's not waste sentezi hanga ntwe skoti ngo muntu ayisira abantu ngayino obugabe nubuha abana bariyo mbituru what are you talking about ubona ubugabe cyo umuntu bwayine no homuntu no bugabe bukwita umuntu no homuntu no bugabe kwate kishoka cyo umuntu obugabe bwo it stops there the day you poured out okagoreksyo oketebekansa okazo mushomero kashashara school fees ijoba ryo kupuringa cyo cyawo kito umuntu toine bugabe bwona obugabe bwawo tokurga wa nabwecho ogumuntu mutwara ishomero hariya mu maririze tuzombindi twine bintu bingi byo gukora kwega ko tuyone ryaho dera manya bajorozi state Anthony muvuge motoka muze kureba hariya no kwenko birewa niwe no birewa
okumbireba yaba ni ku kibuga
oyine mbogoka naba mu rugi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje